Dear students, today we are going to see how we can use other or another in the conversations. We might be confused other dress or another dress, other shoe or another shoe, other class or another class. So, without knowing the difference we might have used incorrectly, today you are going to know the difference other or another. This video will give you the difference with examples that would definitely help you out to know the difference between other or another. Other or another both gives you a different meaning. Let's see the same in the following videos. Other, second of two things. So when you have two different things, the second one is called as other. I can't find my other shoe. That is, you have your right shoe, but your left leg shoe is missed. So you are using other there. Second of two shoes. Have you got other questions? In the sense, you are going to wind up the session there. So you are asking the different question. You are expecting different question from your students. So you are using have you got any other questions? I'm not going to wear this dress. I prefer the other one. So you have two dresses. You prefer another one. If you students are always on time, the others are always late. So this replaces other students called plural form of other students. So instead of using other students, here you have used others. A few students are always on time. The other are always late. Here you can't use another. You have to use only others. Only one parcel has arrived. Where are the others? Instead of using another, you have to use others here. You have one, you are expecting the rest, that is others. Another, and plus another gives us another, that is one more, alternative or addition. For that you can use another. Could I have another cup of coffee? So you have drunk already one cup of coffee and you expect one more. For that you can use another. Get another plate. So in addition to the one which is in existing, you are asking one more. In addition, you are asking. So you can use another plate here. Keep in mind, another should be used only for one more, alternative, in additional. For that you can use another. The investigation will take another 2 weeks. So be very conscious when you are using in plural form, you have to have a number in front of the plural noun. The investigation will take another weeks. That is incorrect. Investigation will take another 2 weeks is right. This cafe isn't good. Is there another one around? So instead of searching for the better one, you are using another. The message is typed by one person, then by other person. So it is more than one people. So you are using another one. Thank you for watching. Hope you have understood.